Welcome back, FLR community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, this is actually part 3 of the FLR Burn Monitor series, and it's a bit of an overview because, as many of you know, I have been having some issues with my whole microphone setup, and it's been quite frustrating, to be honest, but I've had to do a whole reconfiguration of my setup, and unfortunately the last session that I recorded, the audio was just absolutely terrible, and I don't want to put that out for you. I want to give you a quick look at where we have come from to where we are today, which is a very close to finished product. So if we go here and we go to this is probably the last state that you guys saw the application in. The burn line here, we had this going, which was working really well, and we just did this burn funnel, which is the latest addition, and I think it looks really good. We had the supply flow and the inflation destination, in addition to the fire reserves as well. Now, like I said, in that last session, we did actually make some changes, as you can see there, just flicking between the two sites. The color scheme has changed slightly. We've got our logo up here, and a lot more information. We've got the side-scrolling burn stream here with the data for each block that has been processed. And we also have the burn funnel working as expected, the supply flow. And yeah, it's looking really smooth. Now, as I said, this was done in the last recording. And then I went even further and really elevated the website to the next level. And just to don't feel disheartened about this, because even though I'm not showing you it because the video was not suitable for viewing because of the audio reasons, I am going to be doing a much more granular approach to using ChatGPT and Codex and AI agents to take you through the step from an idea to a fully fledged application that's live on the FLR network. What we've been building with the FLR Burn Monitor, in all seriousness, is a relatively simple application. This prompt to protocol series is going to be a lot more interactive, obviously a Patreon Legend exclusive, where we take you from step 1 to step 100, whatever that may be, and it's going to encompass many hundreds of hours of live streaming. So you're going to be able to see me fixing the problems that we come across and overcoming these hurdles in real time during the live streams. We're going to be doing sessions on a regular basis. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about that in the very near future. But what I want to do now is show you where the latest version of the FLR Burn Monitor is actually at. So let me just stop this on Heroku. And something else that I wanted to let you know is that we did actually sort out all of the domain names. And again, that's something that I'm going to show you with the prompt to protocol series. So if we go over here, this is the hopefully last iteration of this. Probably going to make some more tweaks as we go on, but this is the burn line, and yeah, I think it looks a lot more visually engaging and less generic. We've got the inflation statistics here, and as you can see, 22.32% of the issuance is actually offset by the deflationary mechanics of, well, I guess the burns, which encompasses FIP16, obviously transaction fees and all that good stuff. And if we go down here, we've got the burn stream, which is obviously monitoring live blocks in real time. And we did add the burn funnel, which is very similar to the last iteration of the website. And finally, we have this, well, penultimately, should I say, we've got the supply flow here. And now we have this inflation destinations, which looks a little bit more interactive and a little bit easier to digest on a visual manner. Yeah, we've got the FDC reserves, or the fire reserves here, which encompass numerous fees, such as the XRP minting fees, which takes up the majority of the funding here, or sorry, the supply that is held by the fire reserves. And we know that the fire entity, their mandate is to make FLR a deflationary asset. So a lot of this is actually going to be applying deflationary pressures. And that's what this website is all about. It's all about watching and observing I'm going to give that a refresh. Watching this particular chart here to see the moment where FLR moves from a net inflationary asset to a net deflationary asset. That's going to be a very special moment, and maybe we watch it in real time. Of course, this is acting on a rolling 30-day supply and demand data. So, supply and burn data. So it's pretty interesting. Every day this is evolving, and we're hoping to see this number increase, the burn coverage. I also forgot to mention that we did actually add some of the animations here where we can see this ticking up in real time. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. And I think, you know, by the time this video comes out, maybe this application will be live out there. If it's not, of course, I'm linking it down below for you to have a look at and give suggestions. But I do just want to do one final round for my own sake, just to double check the numbers, run everything and make sure everything's running smoothly and it's accurate. I want to go to this methodology here and provide a better description of how we're actually gathering this data, because it's all about transparency, really. This tool is going to be available for anyone that wants to investigate the inflation versus deflation pressures of FLR. And yeah, it's been a nice series, I guess a nice opener before we start this prompt to protocol series, which is going to be a lot more in-depth. And yeah, you know, we're going to be building an app that generates revenue, and we're going to do it from start to finish. And I think one of the most exciting things for me anyway is that some of the fees that are generated from this application will be distributed to you guys, the Patreon members that are inputting and helping build this application, right? So we're all going to be doing this together in live streams, in the chat, getting ideas, bouncing them off between each other. And one thing that I would say is that if you are a Patreon Legend member or a Patreon of any tier, be sure to join the FLR Mastermind group. There is a link in the Patreon chat. And basically that's going to be an exclusive group where we actually build this and we can chat in real time between each live streams. And just to set expectations here, we're probably going to have 1 or 2 streams every single week. Maybe it's 30 minutes, maybe it's 1 hour. It really depends, because once I get into flow state, we'll just start building things out. And we're going to start with an introductory lesson in the very near future, so you can look out for that. Again, I would like to thank you all for the support, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. It's very much appreciative. Do have yourself an incredible day as always. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.